Hello. So, just wanted to give a quick PD on two resources that I talked about last week to make sure we utilize these two. And it was Common Core Sheets and Internet4 Classrooms. So let's look at Common Core Sheets quickly. Common Core Sheets has several instructional sheets on the side, and you can do it by grade. So you would click here, sort by grade, and you can look at all your grades straight across, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, kindergarten through seventh. It has those Common Core standards listed here. All you have to do is click one. Remember, make sure you know your curriculum, as we discussed as well. So let's say I wanted to go to 2.04. Click it, and it would give me several instructional sheets, Common Core, that I could use to help teach my students. It has the standard up here in which I would be utilizing. Once again, grade levels are over here on the side, so please take advantage of Common Core sheets to use after you've done your homework to reinforce the Common Core standards. Now let's look at Internet4 Classrooms. Internet4 Classrooms, I sent this to you as well. Spoke on it very briefly last week, so I wanted to touch bases on it again. Up here at the top, we have SAT, ACT prep, Common Core, online practice, printables, grade level help, and so forth. So let's say I wanted to do online practice. Didn't have anything printed today. It gives you your grade levels, Common Core here. I can click second grade, and then it gives me all my Common Core standards. Let's say I wanted to teach my students to count by fives to 100. I would click here, and it already has an assignment right here ready for me. All I have to do is click start, put the students on it. Constant reinforcement. Okay? Now let's go to the printables. Same thing. It has those grade levels here, kindergarten through 8th. Let's click on first grade this time. And I wanted to teach my students to write tens and ones. Gives me several sheets that will reinforce that practice, counting by tens and ones. If I decided I didn't want this one, I could go to the next one, and then so on. So please, please, please take advantage of these two sites. I know we had the other two, but these were two additional ones that don't necessarily assess the students, but it reinforces those standards that you're teaching. Okay? I'll go back to Internet4 Classroom just a moment. It does have assessment up here. And if you wanted to take practice test, 5th grade practice test, then it gives you a whole list of practice tests that you could take with the students. 5th grade practice reading. Now, once again, it may not give you the data like the other two Common Core resources we discussed, the Moby Max and the Read and Works. Definitely use those. We need that data. We need to be able to pinpoint those skills. But this is just additional reinforcement that I wanted you all to have and to take advantage of this as well. So have a good night. Continue your learning. Talk to you soon.